Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make one of the basic stitches increase. As you can see, I already have made some foundation like magic circle, the next row, I have some single crochets, and now I want to make an increase. You basically make it like this. Find the next stitch, here it is. Place the hook inside the next stitch, which is shaped like a V, as you can see here. This is a stitch. Place the hook inside it. Yarn over, so you hold your yarn like this, and you yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, like this, and you pull through both 2 loops. This is the first step of the increase stitch, and there is a second step to finish it. So increase basically means 2 stitches, 2 single crochets into 1 stitch. So if it was a single crochet, you would proceed to the next stitch here, but since it's an increase, you have to put 2 single crochets into 1 stitch. So here is the place you should put the next stitch, here in the same stitch instead of here in the next stitch. You place your hook there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both 2 loops on the hook. This is it. Now you have your increase stitch. Let's make another one. So this is your increase stitch, and to make a second increase stitch you need to go to the next stitch from the row, here, not here. This is the same, not here but here. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both 2 loops. Again, this is the first step from the increase stitch, and you need to put 1 single crochet here again in the same stitch. So instead of going into the next one here, you go into the same. Now you made 2 increase stitches. Let's go to the third one. Yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both 2 loops. Again in the same stitch. Here it is. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both 2 loops. Again in the same stitch. And this is it. This is how you make the increase stitch.